Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to clear your WhatsApp storage in 2025. Okay, the first thing that you should do if you are using an iPhone, you should go and press on the settings of your iPhone. Once you go to the settings, go to General. Then you want to go and click on iPhone storage. Then go and click on Show All. Then go and choose WhatsApp. And once you go and choose WhatsApp, you need to click on Offload app. Once you click on Offload app, click on Offload app again. Then you want to go up and click on Reinstall app. Then you're all done. This is the method on the iPhone. Now, how to do it on the Android. On the Android, here as you can see, I will go also to the settings. After going to the settings, you should go scroll down till you find your apps. Then you should go to manage apps. Then you should search for WhatsApp, of course. Of course, you want to search for WhatsApp. I cannot find it like this. I will go and search for it manually. So here we go. It is in the W letter. And here we have it, WhatsApp. You just have to click on it. Then once you click on it, you should go and click on storage. Then you want to go and click on clear data, then click on clear cache, then click on OK, and that is it. This is how you can actually do it. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was useful to you all. If you find it so, please support us with like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching.